I've helped many clients achieve massive clearouts. A lot of people ask me, do you actually force your clients to get rid of things? I really don't. People are ready for declutter when they're in the right mindset and they're ready to let go of whatever doesn't serve that next step in their life. I'll take you through the 5 basic steps that will help you be ruthless when decluttering. 1. Focus. Choose one area only. One. So instead of thinking your whole house, your whole computer, your whole office, focus on one area that will make the most impact. 2. Imagine what the area looks like, feels like, and what do you actually imagine yourself and others doing in that area. Taking the time to discover your why before embarking in any decluttering job is key. 3. Break it down. Don't go into any sort of decluttering job thinking you're gonna do it in that one day. This will make you feel disappointed in yourself. If first of all you lose motivation and can't finish it in that one day, it probably took you years, months, or weeks to get to this point. So you can't expect to then clear it out and solve the problem in one day. It is key to set different days and time slots in your calendar. Make appointments with yourself to make it more manageable. 4. Get your hands dirty and actually declutter. You're gonna start by taking every single item out of the room, everything. And you're gonna group them by common themes. And that can be use, colors, or seasons. This is the one thing that will make a huge difference, because once you've seen everything you have grouped by category, it will be super easy to decide, do you actually need all of that one group? Does it match that vision you've established from the very beginning? It's important too that you keep these sessions fun. Put some music on, invite a friend, maybe exchange the cluttering jobs with them, or maybe you can do something else for them. 5 are for those really sentimental items that you've either inherited or have been given by grandparents, parents, partners, children, anything that probably doesn't have any use, but you're sentimentally attached to it. A perfect compromise for these kind of items are memory boxes or scrapbooks or albums. You can take pictures of physical things that are too chunky to keep and make an album of it. You can donate physical clothes and items to charities that are close to that person's heart or your heart. Memory boxes are also a really fun way of keeping smaller items that your children or loved ones have given you. It is really that simple. If you thought I was going to give you very thorough steps and guidelines of when to get rid of things and how to get rid of them, I'm sorry, I'm afraid that there is no correct answer. The only thing I can tell you is you have to be in the right mindset and have the right motivation and know your why. Oh, you're still there. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss any of these videos. I love it when you come and say hi on my social media platforms. Just follow the links here on the screen. Bye, until next time.